在第13课，我们要学习新的语法结构。第一，并，第二，可以说，第三，这么说，啊，并is an adverb, an adverb which is used before statements like 不 or may in order to kind of emphasize that you're refuting somebody's point. All right, the example that we have in our lesson is 并不完全同意. So I don't fully agree. And I would say I specifically am. You think I agree, but that's not the case. 我并不完全同意. So it's used to emphasize the fact that you're refuting somebody's wrong statement. 并不完全同意。第二，可以说 is just a phrase. You know, it could be said literally. It could be said, right? It can be said that blah 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 blah. 我的童年可以说很快乐. My childhood could be said to be very happy. Now, you can take that phrase by itself, but sometimes it's followed by second clause, right? So it's like, yeah, it could be said that my child was happy, but blah blah blah. But I wish my mother had, made me study Chinese. 我的童年可以说很快乐，但是我很遗憾，我妈妈没有让我学中文。可以说。You can use this in arguments in order to, again, kind of express it, to kind of refute somebody's point. Somebody says this, yeah, I say, yeah, it could be said that's true, but blah, 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 blah. And then you complicate that statement. 这么说 is a phrase that means so, that means blah, 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 blah. 这 here refers to this, right? So in the context of a preceding conversation, this, what we've just established, therefore means that blah, 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 blah. It's a little bit like 于是, but it's more of a, or like 总之, it's a bit like 总. You can say it's a little, 有点像, 总之, right, or 于是. But it's a little bit more casual. You hear this a lot in, when spoken conversations. 这么说，你同意我的做法? So, based on what you just said, 这么说, this means that 你同意我的说法吗? 你同意我的做法吗? You agree with my ways of doing things. 这么说。好，这是我们今天的新的语法点。